Hey guys, it's me, I'm Uncle98, and today I'm going to be making the viral recipe from like 2 to 3 years ago. It's basically called a mug cake. So basically this is a cake that you can make in the microwave, simple and easy. As you can see here, I have all my ingredients and all the measurements correct. So why don't we get started? Hold on, just a second. Alright, now that I have all the ingredients, we could get started. So first of all, in a mug, I choose a ceramic mug. You put 4 Oreos. And the weird thing about these is, I got these are actually Korean Oreos that I bought at the nearby gas station. They were like 20 bucks, overpriced. So basically you just put these 4 Oreos in a mug like this. Then you pour 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, like that. And apparently, you smash it with a fork. Oh yeah, this is going good. I'm just gonna, okay. This is getting hard, but I'm just gonna smash it for a bit until it turns into like a sort of cake mix. Okay. I'm just gonna stir it around. And I'm just gonna keep smashing until it looks good enough. And hey guys, if you're wondering, it's peach flavor. I actually tried it. It's really good. So I guess you could find this one at your local gas station. Next, you add 1 tablespoon. You add 1 tablespoon of sugar, like that. 1 tablespoon of flour. Hold on, just gotta get it right. And there. And then I need 1.5 teaspoons of. Okay, so after I cut off, we're on the flour step. Next, let's grab 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And we should just like add it on there. Okay, then after that, we need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I have this Hershey's one, which I don't even know where my parents got it from, since I've never seen Hershey's cocoa powder. Okay, let's just, and there, and then you just, okay, and then I just put it in there. And after that, we just stir until it looks really good. The powder's getting up on my face right now. See, I'm gonna try this recipe to see if it's good or not. And yeah, this is my first time posting a video in 2 months. But sadly, you're gonna have to wait another 2 months. Okay, so we just stir it until it looks like a nice consistency. Okay. Then we just leave it like that. And then here's the fun part. We put it in the microwave for about a minute. So hold on. So yeah guys, here's the microwave that I'm gonna be cooking it in. So then I'm just gonna put it in here for a minute. And then I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, now that it's finished, we could just let it cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready. So I'll just let it cool for a bit, and you guys can wait too. Okay guys, now that it's cooled down, for a bit, I can now try it. Here's how it looks like. As you can tell, the texture is very crumbly. Time to try it. That's actually very good. Yeah, I think this recipe is good. So yeah, if you have any of these ingredients that I have, you could make this mug cake